हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आई हूँ मेरे एक आंट के कैफ़े में और ये है मेरी आंट और ये हमारा उनका कैफ़े है। और शूट करने से पहले मैंने एक बोबा पी ली थी और ये बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी था। और मेरे दादा दादी सब चाय पी रहे थे, अभी नहीं पी रहे थे। और चलो दिखाती हूँ क्या कुछ होता है। और यह है मेरे एक दादाजी। चलो फ्रेंड्स, पूछते हैं मेरे आंट से कि उनको ये आइडिया कैसे मिला ये कैफ़े खोलने में। चलो उनके इंटरव्यू लेते हैं।
Actually, if you ask me that, we are all fond of good foods, right? Good food makes us happy and as well as makes our tummy happy. So why not serve some good food to people and make their memories a little bit special? So that's why it's my main motto to open this cafe.
Okay, where is this cafe located?
This cafe is located in Jadavpur, Gorfa, Shohid Nagar, near KK Datta Memorial Club.
So यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है इस कैफ़े में?
You can get boba shakes, you can get normal shakes also. We have dirty loaded chicken french fries that kids gonna like. And other than that, you can get burger, sandwich, fried rice, noodles, brownies. We have a large amount of menu.
Can we get an overview of your cafe?
No problem.
So the menu is literally very large. So let's see. First we have burger, fried rice, gravy items, mixed lunch, something, dessert, pasta, sandwich, pizzeria, saucy affairs, Maggie Mania, soda, boba shakes, milkshakes, chai, pe charcha, coffee rush, mocktails. So this was the menu, and oh, I forgot to add this fries. And I think all the items will be tasty. I only tried the boba shake, that was tasty, and I think everything will be tasty. Let's meet with the staff members.
Hi. Hello guys, say hello.
And other members are there out, so there's a balance. Wow, this picture looks great. How did it come from? What was the inspiration of yours for this picture?
Actually, if you see the name, it's Zillennials. And if you see the tagline where Gen Z fuses with millennials, you already know what is millennial and what is Gen Z, right? You're from Gen Z group, right?
Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha, actually Gen Alpha, but yeah, before Gen Alpha it was Gen Z. So the bridge gap between the millennial generation and the Gen Z generation is Zillennials. That's the meaning of our name. And if you can see all the graffiti of the wall, you can see all the key elements from the millennial generation as well as the Gen Z generation. They are colliding in a same wall, under the same roof.
Wow, that was great. Let's see something else. So friends, I came across a logo and I found it really special, and it's really very colorful and it looks nice. Let's ask my aunt how she made it.
Actually, this logo has a meaning. As you can see, that there are two hands colliding and it's forming a Z. That is Zillennials, that is Z. And in the upper hand, you can see that it's a cup of tea, which represents the millennial generation. And in the lower hand, you can see the boba shakes, which is very much famous among the Gen Zs right now. So
That was great. Let's see something else. So friends, the outer decoration is very nice. Let's ask my aunt what was the topic of this decoration.
This decoration we did on the Bengali New Year, that is Poila Boishakh, and we try to keep a Bengali theme for that event. So so it's still here. We haven't changed it, but in the next location we are gonna change it. And it's not permanent. Actually, we do change it frequently according to the occasions and according to the events that are happening in our cafe.
So friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And the location is Kolkata, West Bengal, and the location is there in the pinned comment. And if you visit in Kolkata, don't forget to visit Zillennials. Bye.